Hi, welcome to the WTAMU Virtual Math Lab. This video will step you through College Algebra Tutorial 22, Example 10. In this example, we want to solve the inequality, the absolute value of x minus 4 is less than 7, write our answer in interval notation, and graph the solution set. In step 1, we want to isolate the absolute value expression. In this problem, the absolute value expression is already isolated. In step 2, we will use the definition of absolute value to set up an inequality without the absolute value. Recall that the absolute value measures the distance a number is away from 0 on the number line. So a number and its opposite will have the same absolute value. For example, 7 and negative 7 have the same absolute value of 7. Since our absolute value is less than the positive number 7, we are looking for all the values of x such that the distance from x minus 4 to 0 is less than 7. The area on the graph that would satisfy this is everything between negative 7 and 7. In other words, if x minus 4 is anything between negative 7 and 7, then its absolute value or distance from 0 is less than 7. So our setup will be negative 7 is less than x minus 4 is less than 7. In step 3, we need to solve the linear inequality set up in step 2. Looks like we have a compound inequality. The inverse of subtracting 4 is adding 4, which gives us negative 7 plus 4 is less than x minus 4 plus 4 is less than 7 plus 4. This will simplify to be negative 3 is less than x is less than 11. Next, let's write this in interval notation. The answer to this inequality is an open interval because we are not including either of the endpoints. Since we are not including where x equals negative 3, we will use a curved in with a negative 3, and since we are not including where x equals 11, we will also use a curved in with the 11. So the final answer for the interval notation will be a curved in with negative 3, 11 with another curved in. Last, we need to graph this. The graph will look like the interval notation. We will have a curved in at negative 3 and a curved in at 11, and we will shade in everything between negative 3 and 11 for our final answer for the graph.